Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can redeem a Roblox gift card on the Roblox website and also the Roblox desktop app. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So if you don't have already like the desktop app, you can just go to Roblox downloads or you can just go to the browser and just type download Roblox and it will take you to the Roblox app or downloading page, and then you can choose any platform that you would like. Otherwise, you can just go to Microsoft Store and you search for Roblox. Then after you get in your Roblox app, you will be able to start redeeming your own gift cards. So basically here you search Roblox, you click here and click on get and you will have Roblox from the Microsoft Store. So now we need just to go to our settings or just our profile, or you can just go here and you will find the gift cards. So if you go to the nav bar or navigation bar, you click on the gift cards and it will take you to the gift card page. So basically either you can shop or you can redeem your own gift cards. So you can choose your location and click on redeem card. And after that, you will need just to add the code on the card because it's always there is a code on the card, and you will need just to add the code and click on redeem. And if your code is valid, you will have your bonus or reward from the card. And if you're still struggling on how to redeem the card, you can just click on this video that will show you exactly how you can redeem a card from the Roblox website. And if you want to do it on the desktop app, you can just click on Roblox Player and you will have exactly the same steps on this page. So here we will have that Roblox that we start launching, and we will find our navbar. We search for the gift card and it will take us exactly to the same page, and we will be able to redeem our gift cards. So let's wait just for the game to launch. And then we need just to go here. We will find these 3 points icons. We search for card or Quick Official Store. And basically, here we will find the gift cards and we will do the same exact steps. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.